Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift with a BMW M4. First, ensure you're in a safe, controlled environment, like a dedicated track or a large, empty lot. Your M4's powerful engine and rear-wheel drive are perfect for this. Before you begin, make sure to fully disable all electronic aids, including traction control and stability control. This gives you complete command over the car's dynamics. We'll start with some basic techniques to get you comfortable with the car's rotation and throttle control. To initiate a drift, you'll want to use a combination of steering and throttle. As you approach a corner, give a quick, sharp turn of the steering wheel, then immediately apply a strong burst of throttle. This will cause the rear wheels to lose traction. As the car begins to slide, smoothly counter-steer in the opposite direction of the slide. Your goal is to catch the slide and maintain a balanced angle, typically around 20 to 30 degrees of steering input. Once you've initiated the drift, the key is to sustain it with precise throttle and steering control. Use the accelerator pedal to manage the angle of the slide. More throttle increases the angle, less throttle reduces it. Your steering wheel should be used for fine adjustments, guiding the car through the turn. Remember to look ahead, focusing on your exit point, rather than fixating on the car's immediate position. Smoothness is paramount for a controlled and satisfying drift. To exit a drift cleanly, you'll need to gradually reduce your throttle input. As the rear wheels begin to regain traction, slowly unwind the steering wheel back to a straight position. It's crucial to be smooth with both your throttle and steering adjustments to avoid any sudden jerks or loss of control. You might feel a slight pendulum effect as the car straightens out, so be ready to make minor corrections. Practice makes perfect for a seamless and controlled exit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.